Hey everybody, Anna Lucia and I are here camping at Lake Crescent in Washington. What do you think so far of the lake?
It's beautiful. The water is super blue and it's gorgeous.
Yes, this is a gorgeous lake for sure. Before we go out on our little hiking adventure, we thought today we'd make some trail mix.
Yeah.
Today we're using a variety of nuts, fruits, seeds, and a bunch of fun stuff to make our own custom trail mixes.
When you're making your own trail mix, make it your own. Have some fun with it. Look for those ingredients that you really enjoy. So I'd say go for it. Make it what you want to make.
And now it's time for the fun part. We start by mixing and matching all of our favorite ingredients, all while making sure to include nuts, fruits, seeds, and something fun to round it all out.
So tell me about your trail mix. What'd you make?
I did pretzels, popcorn, some coconut shavings on top, some almonds and peanuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, cranberries, banana chips.
All right, so it's a pretty good mix. I went with some cashews, some dark chocolate, some dried cherries, and some coconut. I just kept it simple. I didn't put too many ingredients in it. Oh, that's a good combo right here. Let me see yours. So now that we have our trail mixes all finished up, we're gonna put these in the baggie and we're gonna put them in our backpacks and we're gonna head out. Remember, when you're making your own trail mix, remember the 4 main ingredients. You want nuts, you want seeds, you want fruit, and you want fun stuff.
Yeah.
All right, are you ready to hit the trail?
Yep.
All right, let's bag these up and we'll see you guys later next time.
To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.